Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I made a rice water and turmeric hair mask. This mask is really good for my hair, so stay tuned to see how I made it. I will be taking half a cup of this enriched long grain white rice. It is enriched with folic acid, which has many great benefits for the hair, which is why I love it. And I have used rice water a few times and it really does work and strengthen my hair. Just be careful because it does have protein, and if you are protein sensitive, this recipe may not work for you. But I will be rinsing the rice off because I want to get rid of any dirt, impurities, anything that is left on the rice needs to be rinsed off before I include it in the hair mask. Next, I'm going to take this bowl and I'm just going to put the rinsed rice into it, and then I'm going to take a cup of distilled water and I'm going to pour that on top of the rice. I want to make sure that I'm using distilled water because it is clean and purified, which is also going to help with this recipe. I am going to pour a cup of the water on top of the rice and then just knead it with my knuckles, encouraging all the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients to go into the water. As you see, the water is a little bit cloudy, and that is what I want. I want all of the goodness to go into this water, and then I will pour both the water and the rice into this mason jar, and this is where the rice will become the rice water and ferment. It's very important that you get an airtight container because you don't want any air messing with the process of the fermentation. And I'm just going to pour the contents of the bowl into the mason jar using the funnel because I don't want to make too much of a mess. And I will be adding another cup of water into the mixture. So this is how I do make my rice water. I add half a cup of rice and then 2 cups of water. Next, I'm going to add 10 drops of geranium essential oil, and geranium essential oil is becoming one of my favorite oils. I absolutely love the benefits of this oil for the hair and scalp. It's just going to really maintain and keep your hair and scalp overall healthy, and I love the way it smells. It has like this nice floral scent to it, and it just smells really good, especially for spring. So this is my rice water. I just added my half a cup of rice, 2 cups of water, and 10 drops of geranium essential oil. I let the rice water ferment for 12 hours. After 12 hours of letting the rice water ferment, here is how it looks. It's not as potent as the rice water that I have made previously, where I let it ferment for 24 hours and I could see the patera. I could still see the cloudiness in this water, and it definitely looks a lot cloudier than when I first made it. So that lets me know that there are great benefits to this rice water. I am just going to strain this rice water, making sure that there's no rice in here because I don't want to put rice in my hair, and just make sure that I have rice water only. Here is my fermented turmeric powder. Now, be mindful that turmeric, although it is an amazing ingredient to use in DIYs for your health, internally, externally, hair, skin, nails, all of that, especially with just making sure that your organs are nice and healthy, it is known to stain. So really be mindful of that. You can always use coconut oil, castor oil, or you can always shampoo your hair out. I just wanted to make that a note because you may want to apply this mask before you cleanse your hair, or you may want to do it afterwards. But if you do apply this mask after you cleanse your hair, just apply a coconut oil rinse, a castor oil rinse, or even condition your hair and scalp. You just want to make sure that you do get the turmeric out. With that being said, I did add half a cup of the turmeric, and also I added 2 1/3 cups of the rice water with the turmeric powder. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of Jamaican black castor oil. I absolutely love Jamaican black castor oil. It has so many great benefits for my hair and scalp, and just really keeping my hair overall healthy. I also will be adding 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Now, avocado oil is another oil that I absolutely love. It has so many great benefits, and it has really been helping with the quality of my hair. And here is how my mix looks thus far. I'm going to stir all the ingredients together until it makes a nice creamy consistency. Lastly, I added a tablespoon of vitamin E oil just because I felt that the mix can use more hydration, and vitamin E oil is definitely known for that. I absolutely love vitamin E oil, not only for my hair but also on my skin. And this is a nice consistency. I really love the creaminess of this mix, and I know that it's going to glide perfectly onto my hair. Depending if your hair is really thick or dense, coarse or fine, that's really going to tell what ingredients you use and how much of it. My hair is very thick and it is very dense, so I find that dense products work best for me and my hair. Here's my rice water and turmeric hair mask, and it is ready to use. Now in the shower, I'm just going to rinse the conditioner out of my hair. I just love the way my hair feels after I've applied a good conditioner to my hair. It just feels nice and soft and silky. After I fully rinse the conditioner out, I will be applying the mask to my hair. And here's how the mask looks. I'm applying about a palm full of this mask onto my hair, and you already know that my hair is divided into quadrants because it really works best for me, and I'm just smoothing it into my hair strands, and it feels really good. My hair feels nice and moisturized still, and you can still see that my curls are clumped together, so that is really good. I know that this mask is not drying my hair out at all. My hair feels really nice. I know that applying the oils to this mixture really helped the overall quality and condition of my hair now with applying this mask. My hair feels really good. I do feel a little bit of the turmeric, like it's a little bit gritty, but it's not drying at all. It's just really making a nice consistency in my hair, and my hair is actually loving it. And I'm going to repeat this process 3 more times, and you can really see how my curls are clumped together. That is another way that I can determine a product is really working for me, because if it's supposed to be hydrating, moisturizing, or nourishing to my hair, I really want to see my hair thrive. I never want to see my hair dry, brittle, frizzy, any of that. I just really love the way that this mask was applying to my hair overall. Also, I love to saturate my hair with water before applying products, because that's when products just seem to work a lot better, and my hair just really takes it well if the product is for me. So that's why I just really love soaking my hair and saturating it with water before applying any product to my hair, whether it's wash day or styling my hair. And you just see how this mask is just gliding into my hair. That is a good sign. And I just gave you a close-up because I really want you to see how well my curls are clumping together. And after I work the mask in my hair well, I'm just going to twist it up to help retain that moisture in my hair until I rinse the mask out. Now that I've applied the mask to all 4 sections, I am going to put a plastic bag over top of my hair. I didn't have any plastic caps at the moment in the bathroom with me, so the next best thing was to use this bag over top of my hair. It works pretty much the same. And I'm going to keep the mask in with the bag over top of my hair for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, here is how my hair looks, and I could definitely tell that this mask really seeped and penetrated into my hair strands, and that's definitely what I wanted. With rinsing this mask out, you really want to make sure that you dedicate the time to rinse it out. As you can see, the turmeric, that yellowish orange tint coming out of my hair, that's from the turmeric. You really want to make sure that you spend a good amount of time to rinse this mask out. I cannot stress it enough. You don't want to walk around with that turmeric in your hair, because when you touch your hair, the turmeric will be on your hands. It will get everywhere. Just really make sure that you rinse this mask out good, even if you have to do a coconut oil rinse, a castor oil rinse, or even cleanse your hair one more time. Just make sure that you do rinse the turmeric out really good. After rinsing the mask out, my hair feels really good. It's soft, it's moisturized, and it feels really strong. So I'm really happy that I tried this mask out. My curls are clumping together, which is another great sign. I'm just going to wrap my hair in a cotton t-shirt to absorb any excess water in my hair before I style it again. And you could see the turmeric got on this shirt because it was on my hands. Like I said, this turmeric can get everywhere. Just make sure that you do rinse turmeric out really good. And after I put the t-shirt on, I did clean my body again, just making sure that I got that turmeric out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!